Hey there, fellow Google Sheets enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech tips to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling something that's a game changer for anyone dealing with large datasets: how to lock columns in Google Sheets. Whether you're tracking expenses, managing inventory, or analyzing data, locking columns keeps your headers or key info visible as you scroll. This feature is especially handy in the 2025 updates, which have made it even more intuitive. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Google Sheets document. If you don't have one, go ahead and create a new spreadsheet. It's free and easy. Now, identify the column you want to lock. For example, let's say you want to freeze the first column with your product names. Step 1. Click on the letter of the column right next to the one you want to lock. So, if you're locking column A, select column B. This ensures the entire column stays put. Next, head over to the menu bar at the top. Click on View. That's the one with the eye icon. From the drop-down, hover over Freeze. You'll see options like No Columns, One Column, or Up to Current Column. Select One Column if you're freezing just the first one, or choose Up to Current Column for more. Voila! Your selected column is now locked in place. As you scroll horizontally, that column will stay visible, making your work so much smoother. A quick tip: if you need to unlock it, just go back to View, greater than Freeze, and select No Columns. Remember, this works on both desktop and mobile versions of Google Sheets in 2025, but the interface might look a tad different on your phone. Avoid common mistakes like selecting the wrong column. It could freeze something you didn't intend. There you have it. Locking columns in Google Sheets is straightforward and saves you tons of time. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.